Good morning everyone. Last day we learned the main ranges, the three ranges of northern mountains. What are the three ranges? The first one is the Greater Himalayas or Himadri. The second one is the Middle Himalayas or Himachal. The third one is the Lesser Himalayas or Shivali. Clear? Today we learned the life in the northern mountains. Okay, page number 239. See the life in the northern, which are the states consist of northern mountains. See, some of the major states that lie in this region are Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Sikkim. Most states of the northeast such as Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya and Mizoram. What are the states? See, the first one is Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Sikkim. What are they? Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Sikkim. And the northeastern states are there. Which are they? Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya and Mizoram. These are the states fall in the northern mountains. Okay, how many states? See, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim and the northeastern states, that is Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur and Mizoram. These are the states fall in the northern mountains. Okay, see the first state, Jammu and Kashmir. The Jammu and Kashmir is not a state now, it is a union territory. Okay, Jammu and Kashmir, see, has two capitals. Jammu and Kashmir got two capitals, which one is Srinagar. Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter. Okay, what are they? Srinagar in summer season and Jammu in winter. See, Ladakh is an important region of the state. Not now, it is a union territory. Ladakh is also union. Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh is a separate union territory. It is not a part of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. Lying at the northmost point of India, Jammu and Kashmir experience an extremely cold climate for several months at a stretch. It feels the Jammu and Kashmir feels a extremely cold climate because it stretches, it lying at the northmost of the country, northmost point of the country. Clear? And Kashmir has a pleasant and cool summer and snowfall occurs during winters. Winters make I say Kashmir has a pleasant and cool summer. In a summer season it is a very cool and pleasant climate. But in a winter season it is a snowfall occurs. Snowfall girta hai in winter season. But in a summer season it is cool and pleasant condition. Okay. Vegetation in the state varies from thick pine and cedar forest in the valleys to sparse vegetation in the Ladakh region. Here it is the vegetations are the pine trees and cone-shaped trees. The in Jammu and Kashmir it is a cone-shaped vegetation, cone-shaped trees. See the next paragraph. Farming is the main occupation during the summer season. Yes, in a summer season, which one is the main occupation of Kashmiri peoples? Farming. Farming is the main occupation. Farmers grow kidney beans. What is the kidney beans? Rajma. Everyone knows the rajma. Rajma is called a kidney beans. Maize, rice, vegetable. These are their agriculture products. They are farming this one. Which are the kidney beans? That is rajma, maize, rice and vegetables. Saffron is an exclusive product of this region. We get a saffron from Jammu and Kashmir. It is an exclusive product from the Jammu and Kashmir. Saffron. Which one? Saffron. The state is famous for apple, walnut and almond orchards. This state is very famous for apple. Apple, walnut and almond orchards. Clear? Next paragraph, see. Jammu and Kashmir is famous for handicrafts like woven, woolen and silk cloths. They are very famous for handicrafts item. What are they? Woven, woolen and silk cloths. The state is also famous for embroidered shawls and carpets, walnut wood handicrafts and papier mâché products. देखो Jammu, the first one is they are very famous to hand. Here it is a very famous to handicraft products. That is a woolen, woven woolen and silk cloths, and the state is famous for embroidered shawls. Shawls and embroidery. Oh, embroidered shawls. We get it. So, and carpets and embroidered shawl is very famous. In Jammu and Kashmir, very famous carpets and embroidered shawls. Walnut wood handicrafts and paper mache are products. See the next one. People speak in Urdu and Kashmiri in Srinagar and Kashmir, Dongri in Jammu and Ladakhi in the Ladakh region. See what are the languages they use in Jammu and Kashmir. What are the languages they use? Which are Urdu and Kashmiri in Srinagar and Kashmir. Okay, Urdu and Kashmiri use in Srinagar and Kashmir. Dongri in Jammu. Jammu mein which language they use? Dongri, and Ladakhi in the Ladakh area. Okay, which are the languages in Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh? See, Urdu, Kashmiri, Dongri and Ladakhi. Okay, Urdu and Kashmiri in Srinagar and Kashmir, Dongri in Dongri in Jammu and Ladakhi in the Ladakh region. Okay, see the next page. Kashmir is known for its scenic Ular and Dal lakes. Here it is a Dal lakes is there and Ular lakes is here. It is a tourist place. Okay, it is a scenic beauty place. Tourists enjoy staying in houseboats, taking boat rides in the shikaras. Here the houseboats are called in a Dal lake and Ular lake. They are staying there in a houseboat. The houseboat is called a shikara. Okay, the Kashmiri's houseboat is called a shikara. Trekking in Palgam and skiing in Gulmarg. The Vaishno Devi temple, the Amarnath caves, the city of Srinagar, the Sonmarg hill station and the town of Palgam are all places to visit in the state. The Vaishno Devi temple and the Amarnath caves. These are the two pilgrimage cities. Pilgrimage center are here. Which are they? The Vaishno Devi temple and the Amarnath caves. Okay. The city of Srinagar, the Sonmarg hill station and the town of Palgam are tourist places here. The Ladakh region with its monasteries is another important tourist destination of the state. The Ladakh, in Ladakh it is a lot of monasteries. Okay, that is a monk living. The monk live there. Okay, monks live there, and that is a building. Monasteries, that is a monks are live there. Okay, monks are. So, in the Ladakh, the monks are live. Clear? The monks are live in monasteries in Ladakh. So, the Kashmir is very beautiful city, scenic beauty. Dal lakes and Ular lakes are there. The houseboat, they use it called as shikaras. And the Vaishno Devi temple and Amarnath caves, these pilgrimage center are there. And the monks are in Ladakh, the monks are living monasteries are there. Okay, the Kashmir over. The second place is Himachal Pradesh. Okay, see the next.